Today, we proudly present our latest milestone, the commissioning of a 60 tons LPG-Fired Bogie Hearth stress-relieving furnace, built with German technology and designed for unmatched performance. This robust, heavy-duty furnace is purpose-built for stress-relieving large metal components, with full PLC-based automatic control and high-velocity burners operating on a pulse-firing system. At the heart of the system lies our pulse-firing system, engineered to deliver high turbulence, uniform heat distribution, exceptional fuel efficiency, and a temperature uniformity of plus or minus 7 degrees Celsius. This results in accelerated convection heating and high product quality every cycle. With fully automated SCADA integration, our furnace offers real-time temperature set point programming, historical alarms and trends, zonal temperature and pressure control, flame failure management, alarm annunciations and safety interlocks. Everything controlled and monitored at your fingertips. The furnace includes a counterweighted, electrically operated rise and fall door, interlocked with the bogie system for safe and smooth operation. Movement is only permitted when the door is fully open, ensuring maximum safety. Built with industry-leading safety standards, the system features overload protection, flame failure detection, low gas and air pressure alerts, individual burner shutoff valves, full interlocks for critical operations. This furnace isn't just built for performance. It's engineered for efficiency, safety, and precision. Whether you're heat-treating critical components or streamlining production, our 60 tons LPG-fired stress-relieving furnace stands ready to deliver excellence every time.